Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altroz. Now, with more exciting features.
Kipulit ka nong ba Shalom ki pala pengklan bahaya ke jing pahara nong ba Shalom ki lahap ban siat di ketiarga selani ki bom pensat kemat hadiam bagi dekat bagi noyalam jong New Trap Integrated Territorial Organization ki pala mi nak jing syakhat hajar hagi pulit jong Sadar Police Station hak sautrik mulai luar Araja Apulai tang supoi hak kemat ka office rekam jong Deputy Commissioner ki East Coast Hills District ki pulit kelas siat di ketiarga ban pinperai ki dekat jong hitu ki bayai procession di Spangut na pedeng yo kendailat na kajing temu balik berat di plakat hakmat ka office ke teriap.
Halo. What provoke?
Then they are supposed to go and appear and come and disperse. But I don't know what made them to go come to the DC office and start forcing.
Oh, they came marching towards the
Yeah, that's a DC office left. They want to go to secretariat.
यही है गाली देने वाला.
ये पुलिस में एक सर्कल भेज दो ये. भाई बहन.
One.
नहीं ये पुलिस में एक साथ आओ
boleh.
We know about him. Okay. We know about him.
Now we are coming the wrong side.